Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alicia. So today we are doing all of the bows. So I have 3 or 4 bows I want to do, and I consider them designer bows because the ribbon that I'm using is from a higher end company, Silk. If you know about them, then you know they make really good quality ribbon with good wire and all of the things. So yeah, this first ribbon is going to be for a Mrs. Claus wreath that I will be doing soon. So yeah, this red and white ribbon in the back came from Decorator's Warehouse, and then this red ribbon on the top came from Silk. So yeah, this is, and I will be using my BOWDABRA for most of these bows. I think my last bow I'm going to do by hand. So yeah, you'll see that I use the BOWDABRA to make this bow, and it is about 12 inches for the tails and about 12 inches, I will say, or between 6 and like 10 inches for the loop part. So yeah, you'll see at the end I fold my ribbon at the bottom instead of cutting it into a ducktail, because with these higher end ribbons sometimes they act a little funny at the end. So I always like just rolling it up to give it a more professional look. So yeah. And with this green ribbon, I also got this from Decorator's Warehouse. And this gold ribbon, I think I got from Hobby Lobby during Christmas time. Same method I'm doing with the first one. This one will be for a gingerbread wreath. And this red one, this is absolutely stunning. This is from Fair Silk as well. And because it has the jewels on it, I don't want to put a ribbon on top of it because I really want them jewels to stand out. And yeah, this one is also going with a gingerbread wreath that I have coming soon. And this last one is just a bunch of different, I think, craft outlet ribbons. So I'm just going to make a hand bow to go with this. I think I want to put this on my Christmas in July tree. So yeah. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video.